Social organization in honeybee. Apiculture is the process of rearing of honeybees in the artificial hives, called apiaries, for the production of honey at a commercial level. Some of the high honey-yielding species of bees are selected and cultured in apiaries. Honeybees are social and polymorphic insects. These live in large colonies called hives or combs of about 40,000 to 100,000 individuals. In a colony, there are 3 castes of bees which are structurally and functionally different from one another. So, polymorphism is associated with division of labor. Let's discuss the 3 castes of honeybees. Queen. Every healthy colony has only one fertile female called queen. It is the mother of the colony and has well-developed ovaries. It has long, tapering abdomen, short legs and wings. Its sole function is to lay the eggs at the rate of 1,500 to 2,000 in a day. 2 types of eggs, fertilized and unfertilized eggs, are laid. Queen and workers develop from fertilized eggs, while drones develop from unfertilized eggs. Workers. These are largest in number but smallest sized members. These are most active and perform variety of jobs, like attend the queen and nursery, clean the hives, form a new hive and produce wax, repair the comb, keep the comb cool, defend the members, etc. So have strong wings and sting at the end of abdomen. Drones. These are male members of the colony and are of intermediate sized. They have reduced mouth parts and are sluggish. Their sole function is to copulate with the queen.